Hey guys, it's Olivia. So if you can't tell by the title of this video already, I am going to be giving you my honest opinions about the Bellami hair extensions that I have. This is the first time I've had Bellami hair extensions, and I've got to say, like, I really do love them. This is what they look like. They have a wave in them right now because I always wear them curly just because I haven't taken them to my hairdresser yet to like layer them in with my natural hair, and since it blends really nicely when you have it curled, since I don't have them layered in with my hair, but I don't wear my hair extensions straight until I get them layered in with my actual hair at the salon, just because you can tell where the cutoff of my natural hair is compared to the hair extension easier. When your hair is just like pinned straight like how it is now. If I had these both pinned straight, it'd just be so much easier to tell that I'm wearing like a weave, you know? And I'm not trying to just be giving away my secrets, you know? Just kidding. Anytime anyone ever gives me a compliment like on my hair when I'm wearing hair extensions, I always tell them, I'm like,
"Oh, thank you, these are my hair extensions." Like,
and they're like, what? They're usually shook because a bitch is good at putting her hair extensions in, I'm not gonna lie. Recently, since I've been wearing these on my Instagram, I've had a lot of girls DMing me asking me like if they are hair extensions, if they are, then what brand they are, and blah 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 blah, blah etc. So I'm just gonna make a video and just like address all of the questions that anyone out there would have about my hair. These are 22 inch. These are in the color Beach Blonde, and I think they're called the Bellissima 220 gram 22 inch Beach Blonde. Bellissima. The hair extensions were $209. It's kind of an investment. I always ask for these for my birthday though, so I
never have to pay out of my pocket.
Wait for a holiday or a birthday to ask for hair extensions, because I'm definitely not in an economic state to buy myself just hair extensions out of my own pocket, you know? So thanks, Mom. Love you. And then there was actually a deal going on when I ordered these. The deal was that with your purchase, you can get a free ponytail. So I got a ponytail hair extension specifically made for like putting up ponytails. So it comes like this. This is like the back side. I can do a video showing how to like do a ponytail with this potentially in the future. Other hair extensions I've had before have shed kind of heavily. I haven't noticed a lot of shedding with these at all. I mean, these will shed, don't get me wrong, like you're never not gonna find a brand of hair extension that just doesn't shed. It's just gonna happen. Your natural head sheds, hair extensions shed, it's gonna happen. But these are just so good about not shedding, I feel like, compared to the other ones I've had. And not to bash the other brands I've ever had, those were all amazing as well, but these are just the Bellamis. Just I really love that they're not shedding. It's just like when it sheds, it just feels like, oh, there goes my money. Like,
oh, see ya, girl, see on the floor.
Okay, the packaging that it comes in looks like this. This isn't the exact one. This was for the ponytail. Pretty much it's like the same packaging for these. On like the real package, there's gonna be like an extra little fold when you get your Bellami hair extensions, and this is the same for like every brand of hair extension really. You're gonna have the main bulk of it, which will be in here, like all of your hair extensions, all your wefts will be in here, and then on the top there was a little pocket where you broke the seal and you get one weft clip, and then this is the clip that you can take out and see if it matches your hair color the way you want it to. And if it doesn't match, then you can send it back. But you will not be able to send back your hair extensions if you break the seal on the back. There's a seal that comes on the back of the packaging, and if that's broken for like the big bulk of the hair extensions, then you can't send it back. And that's why they send the test strip, because they know that when you're looking over the color choices online that it's going to be like kind of hard to match your own color. So that's why they give you the test weft for you to be able to see and put it up to your hair, see if it matches, see if you like it, and if you're not feeling it, then you can just send it back and trade it out for another color, or just send it back and get your money back. I'll give you a close-up of what these wefts look like. If you don't know hair extension lingo, wefts are this is like a 3-clip weft, so each little individual hair extension is a weft, and these are the clips. Okay, so up close, this is what the wefts look like, and I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see, but if you can see, like in there's like a little silicone strip on each of the clips, and that just sort of gives the clip a little bit more grip on your hair, and I really like that. I think that's super genius. I've seen this a lot in other brands too, but I just love that the hair extensions always have like little silicone grips, because it just honestly, it makes it stay in your hair so much better than without the clips. Right when I got them out of the package, they were so incredibly soft, and they still are very soft. You do have to treat your hair extensions with a little bit more care than your own hair, because since they're not attached to the root of a head, they don't get the natural oils from the scalp as your real hair would. So that means that you have to take care of these just a little bit better than you would your own hair. That means at least once a week, I will like just, when they're dry, I'll just get some argan oil, put it in my palms and, you know, rub it through the ends of the hair, because the ends of the hair are gonna be the driest. Oh, and sorry to not mention, these are like 100% human hair, and it's Remy human hair, which means all of the individual hairs are all laid the same way. So the hair follicle is all laying the same way, and that just ensures like a smoother, more natural look. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I put these in, just for like my typical just middle part soft curl look. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do that. Okay, so I always like to section my hair with a little clip. I just like to take my two fingers and go underneath where my ear is at and just meet them in the middle. Take this down and then part this section up. Okay, once you have this section, I always take a little bit of dry shampoo, spray it, and then I like to take some hairspray and go on top of that, your teasing comb, and just tease the base of your hair. This is to ensure that when you put your hair extension in, it has something to grip to just a little bit better. Especially if you're planning on wearing these like all day long, you're definitely gonna wanna make sure you have a nice ratted tease in here. I like to take my 3-clip weft and put that one on the bottom. Alright, once this section's in, I'm just gonna let everything down, and I'm gonna take another section at the top of my ear now. So I'm gonna take my 2 fingers, go at the top of my ear, and knead around. Again, I'm just gonna spray my dry shampoo, my hairspray, tease it. Now I'm gonna take my 4-clip weft and I'm gonna put that one as my second layer. Now I'm going to take my fingers and go about eye level. Any of the wefts from the back, hopefully. I always save my two-clip wefts for these side sections. That's why I didn't use these in the back at all, just because my favorite place to put these two-clip wefts is right here, because it just helps blend all of this a lot more seamlessly. I'm gonna take the end of my ratchet broken teasing comb and I'm gonna go, what was this, like eyebrow height. Go back from there, take this section, clip it up. Same thing as always, I'm gonna take my dry shampoo, spray it at the root, spray my hairspray on top, and tease the shit out of your roots. Okay. And I know what you're thinking, Olivia, this is like really close to like your like hairline, like the frame of your face. And I know. I like to live on the edge a little bit. I like to just like live on the edge knowing that anyone could see my fucking weft, my weave, my clips at any moment in time. And that's just the way I like to do things, you know? Live on the edge a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my hair together by curling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a heat protectant. This is the heat protectant I'm using today. It's called Firewall by hair care, AG hair care. It like gives your hair like a really nice shine, and I just really love that about it. If I don't use heat on my hair that day, I'll even just spray this in my hair to use as like a shine spray. But I'm gonna go ahead and focus it on the ends of my hair, the hair extensions, because they obviously are the driest out of everything on my head right now. Brush that through. Okay, sorry, new angle. I had to switch it up because his hair is long. So now I'm going to be taking this Conair tapered curling wand, and I have it set at 400 degrees. I always just put it on the highest one just so I don't have to like have my hair wrapped around it for a really long time and hold it on there like extra long. I just kind of like to have it on the highest heat so I can get it done the fastest. So I don't section my hair to do this. I just kind of go in at it, and that's just how I always curl my hair really. So I always like to try to get at least a little bit of extension with each section of my real hair. All I'm doing is I parted my hair in the middle, and I'm just curling away from my face for every single curl. It's nothing you haven't seen before, ladies and gents. Sorry to break it to you. So it always comes out really curly like this, and I like to pull at it so it's not so curly. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my hair. I'll probably speed this up, put some non-copyrighted music over it, have a good time, grab a snack. This might take a minute. La 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 la. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up now because this is all I do to the rest of my head, so it's no big deal really. Yeah, I have to play music. I always hate getting ready on camera because I can't listen to music that I want to listen to, but now since I'm speeding up this whole fucking section, I can just jam out to some Ansel Elgort. If you don't know him, you don't know about him, please listen to his music. He's the fucking cute boy in Fault in Our Stars, you know? He's like the whole fucking package, and if you don't listen to his music, listen to it. I really recommend Supernova. Please just go listen to him. Find him on iTunes. He's the best. You'll thank me. Alright, speed it up now. My camera's about to die. I'm just gonna finish curling most of this off camera. I'll come back to you in the end and just show you how I put like little finishing touches on it and whatever. I'm just gonna charge it and we'll get back. Okay, bye. Okay, the lighting is going a little whack because that took like 15 minutes and the lighting outside is changing. Oh, the sun's setting. So I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, this is what it looks like right after I am just done curling it. I haven't touched the curls yet. I mean, you could leave it like this. I think it's really pretty and like mermaidy and like it's a vibe, but like it's not the vibe I'm going for. So I always like to take my brush and I just like to go through it, just run the brush through it. I do this every time I curl my hair. This is like the kind of way I love to wear my hair. Not sure how I'm feeling about this one. I think she needs to be calmed down a little bit. I love doing that. I love using that as a little trick. Does this side need to be amped up a little bit? Okay, so once you go ahead and brush through all of your hair and your extensions, I like to take my dry shampoo again, and I just like to spritz it throughout my hair just to give it like the texture that I want. And then just a little spritz of hairspray. I'm like, a little spritz sprays the whole can. I do love to leave it like this, and this is like a really nice finished product. Okay, pro tip, if you're insecure about like one of your wefts showing, like maybe say this little guy to sneak through, if you're ever insecure about that, which sometimes I am because I know you're not supposed to like necessarily like place your wefts so high or so close to your face like this, but I don't really care and I do it anyway. If I'm gonna go out with this hair or something, I'm gonna be dancing and I don't want my weave to be showing through, I'll take my bangs and I'll take like a piece of the extension from the front. So I'll take these and pull them to the back and I'll just tie them with an elastic. Skill. That was skill. And then I'll just maybe pull out like a little bit of these. Kind of gives you like a princess vibe, you know? So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like in the back. Okay, I hope this is a good view of it, but as you can tell, hopefully, there's no clips or wefts showing. I mean, I think it blends pretty seamlessly. I love it. Okay. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helped guide you in your hair extension adventures in the future. I love my Bellami hair extensions by far. These are probably the highest quality hair extensions I've had so far. I'd have to say I definitely give these Bellami hair extensions a 10 out of 10 review in my books. They are just so beautiful. They don't cause me any trouble. They're very easy to use. They don't shed. They're soft. They're long. They match really well with my hair, but they blend just so seamlessly anyway. So when you're picking out a color, I wouldn't be too worried about getting the exact shade, because whatever happens, and it's probably gonna look fine when you get it in, because look, these are like definite two different blonde colors, but when I have it all in, said and done, like it looks like my just natural hair. Do not break the seal on the big part of the package until you are for sure that the sample one is the color for you. Go ahead, comment questions, concerns you have down below about hair extensions, or comment whatever you want to actually. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you aren't, because I'll be having more videos in the future. And subscribe because you can see how many subscribers I have. I have like none. So subscribe and I would love you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.